welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. This is the first time on my channel. You're highly welcome. Okay guys, so today is a haul. We have a Iceland top up weekly. It's not a top up, let me not say top up. It's not weekly, it's probably 2 or 3 weeks. Okay, yeah, you guys know I mainly get all my frozen food from Iceland, so it's a Iceland haul. I'm going to try as much as possible and tell you guys the prices, okay, the total, and then each item price if possible. Hopefully it's possible. My camera battery is not much, so let's hope I finish the video before the camera battery dies. Okay guys, so I hope you guys are having an amazing day, amazing week. Okay, it's a new week. Wishing you guys all your heart desires in the new week. Okay guys, let's dive right into this haul. Thank you all so much for always coming back to watch my channel, watch my videos, my content. I appreciate it so much. Let's dive right into this haul, and don't forget to smash the like button. Enjoy. Okay guys, so that is everything on the haul on the table. Okay, you guys can see here on the table I got my Iceland receipt right here. So this haul here cost me £172.27p, but because I have discount and some of the items is buy 3 for 3, buy 3 for 10, buy 3 for 5. Okay, and then by the time they remove all the discount that there is, the total came to £155.42p. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see it in the receipt. It's there. Okay, so I'm just going to start from wherever the receipt starts from, which is here on the top. So we have this tango berry drink, which is this drink here. You guys must have seen that I always buy this drink. That's because everybody in the house like it. Okay, it's 24 sugar-free tango berry. Okay, there's 24 inside. It's £8.50 for this 24, £8.50. Okay guys, so the next item, I'm following the list. Okay, the next item is the baked beans. I'll show you guys the baked beans. So the baked beans is £4. There is 6 inside. That's the baked beans here. It's 6 in the carton. And then the next item is the forest fruit still water, which is this one here. Okay, and then the strawberry and raspberry water, which is this one. This is strawberry, this is forest fruit. They are £1 each. Okay, this is the big bottle from Iceland. Remember, this is Iceland haul. Okay, and then the next thing we have is the Listerine. The Listerine is a small one. It's £1. This is the Listerine here, £1. Okay guys, and then the next thing we have is hand wash, which are these ones here. This Astonish hand wash. Okay, so the hand wash are £1 each. Okay, they are £1 each. And then we also have some juice drink Don Simon juice. I think they are these ones here. Yeah, they are the one. So we have 3 flavors, 1, 2, 3. So this drink is 3 for, the drink is 3 for, I think it's 3 for Precious. Sorry guys, because my daughter went with me. Is this one, the drink are 3 for £3, right? Or 3 for £5? Is it the drink that is 3 for £3? Okay, so the drink are 3 for £3. These are the drink. So we got lemon and raspberry, and then we have lemon and strawberry. Then we have mango and passion fruit. Okay, so they are £3. That's like £1 each. Okay, because the discount is here somewhere on the receipt here. Okay, 3 for £3, mix and mash. So that's the drinks. Then the next thing we have is the skim milk. So we got skim milk, the big one, 6 pints. Skim milk here is £2.35 for one. Okay, that's it. I got 2 of them, 2, so you guys can see. Okay, we got 2 of the milk. One is £2.35p. And then we have the sweet. Oh, Precious, I don't think it's the drink that is. Guys, I don't think it's the drink that is 3 for £3. I think I know what is 3 for £3. The drink is the one 3 for £5. That's the drink. Okay, I'll show you guys what is 3 for £3 now. So we have sweet chili. The sweet chili is the one 3 for £3, guys. It's here. I remember very well now. The sweet chili is 3 for £3. This is the sweet chili. Let me bring them up. It's the one that is 3 for £3. Okay guys, I remember very well now. So the sweet chili is 3 for £3. Okay, Okay, moving along. Sorry about that, guys. The drinks are £3 for £5 Iceland. Okay, so moving along, we have cucumbers. My son Gabriel like cucumber. I forgot to buy his tomatoes and lettuce for some weird reasons. I forgot. But we have cucumber. They're 87p. I bought two, £1.74. Okay, there's two cucumber there. They're very nice. So one is 87p, two is £1.74. That's what's in the receipt there. Then we have some crispy French fries. Okay, so now guys, Iceland has stocked up their freezers and they bring the chips back. So the chips, they are doing 3 bags of chips for £10, guys, which I really think is really good bargain. Okay, so because one bag of these chips is normally almost £5, it's £4.90 something, one bag. Okay, and this is the 2.25 kilo, as you guys can see. We have the French one, because I know I'm not going to be doing this shopping for a while. So this is the French one. This one is the 1.8 kilo. Can you guys see? It's three. It's three for £10. So that's the next thing on the shopping list. Crispy fry. So one bag of that crispy fry. Sorry guys, I'm going around the table. One bag is £4.50, but Iceland is doing 3 for £10. It's doing 3 for £10. Now I don't know whether it's a bargain or not, but not every shop sell it for £4.50. Some shops sell it £4.90 something. Okay, some sell it even £5 something. So I don't know if it's a bargain, but for me I think it's a bargain. So I got 3 of these, 3 of the French fries for £10. Okay, and then this one, I swear the McCain one is the one that's always more expensive. When you go to some shops, it's £5, sometimes £4.98. Sometimes you are lucky you see it for £4.90 something, sometimes £5 something. So Iceland is still doing the offer, 3 for £10. Okay, 3 for £10. So we got 3 of this one. No, it's upside down, but that's the one because I'm on the other side. So we have some diced chicken, which I think I'm going to have to go around the table again. Sorry guys. This time around I'm taking you guys round. So we got some diced chicken, guys. Okay, this is the big bag of diced chicken. It's £12. Sorry guys, the camera nearly fell from my hand now. So diced chicken is 1.8 kilo. It's £12 for that bag. And then we have the hot and spicy chicken wings, which are these ones here. Because I'm not going to be doing shopping for quite a long time, guys, I bought 6 of these chicken wings. Okay, but one of them is the barbecue one. I'll show you guys that one soon. So over here we got 5 of it. Okay, there's 5 in there. You guys can see them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The one on top. Okay, there's 5 in there because it's 3 as well for £10. Okay, 3 for £10. So this particular hot and spicy one, I got 5 of them because it's 3 for £10. That's it. And then we have the barbecue one. This is the barbecue one. I only bought only one because this one sometimes it tastes bitter. I don't know why. Okay, so that's the barbecue one. I only got 1 of it. And then we have hash brown. I got 3 hash brown, which is here. The hash browns, they are £2. Okay, I got 3 of them. There's one at the bottom there still. Okay, so 3 hash brown, guys, 3 hash brown. And then the next thing we got on the receipt is the burger buns, which is over there. Let's go closer to it. So the burger buns, I got 3 burger buns. Okay, there's 3 of them there. Okay, 3 burger buns. 1 burger buns is £2, so that's £6 for 3. Okay guys, then we got the quarter pounder, the stage side quarter pounder, which is the one you guys are looking at right now. Is £5. We got the crispy chicken breast steak, which are these ones here. They are £3.75. I think this one, I don't think they were doing any offer on them. Not sure if they were doing offer on these ones. If I thought maybe they were doing offer as well, to be 3 for £10. Although I can't really see if they were offer on this one. I can't remember. But anyway, these are the crispy breast fillet. I got 2 of this type. And I think there's another one that I got a different type, which is over there. I'll show you that one in a minute. Let me tell you guys the price. Okay, so the where is it again? Crispy chicken breast steak, £3.75. And then we have, what is this one? Okay, the same thing, £3.75. This is the other one. This is the other one. Saturn fry. It's £3.75 as well. And then we have chicken strips, which are these ones here. I got two types. It's £11. If I can find the second one. Okay, it's over here. Okay guys, that's the chicken strips. So chicken strips, I'm trying to look for it again. They are £5. The chicken strips are £5.50. Okay guys, they are £5.50. Yeah, £5.50 each, so that's £11 for the two. Okay, and then we have slushies. The slushies are £1.50. I got 3 of them for this pack. This one is 10 in a pack. I got 3. And then we got this particular slushie. I think that one is £1. Yeah, that slushie should be £1, I think. Precious, the slushie is £1, right? Yeah, £1. I've seen it in the receipt. And then we have the chicken burger, which are these ones somewhere here. Chicken burgers. Chicken burger, there's £3, there's 10 in the pack. And then we got chicken nugget. The chicken nugget is over here, it's £6. It's £6. I bought just one. And then of course the chicken burger, I bought 2 pack. There's 2 pack there. There's one at the back of it. There's 10 inside. Okay guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up guys. Share it to be helpful. This is for a family of 6. Everything here is going to stay for a long time guys. So you guys can see I bought them in double. So it's bulk buying I did. So everything is going to stay for quite a long time. Okay, because I know I'm not going to be doing this shopping anymore for the next 3 weeks or 4 weeks. Okay, so most of these things, apart from the milk and drink, water, all those things I will repeat, and the egg I'll probably repeat, but like the frozen food, I won't be repeating them for a while. Okay guys, so it's going to be helpful. It's for family of 6. Okay, so share the video please guys, share it. And then we have the onion. The onion is £1.9p. I got an onion, the brown onion, £1.9p. It's right here. Okay guys, I know my receipt is covering it. £1.9p for the onion. And then we have what is this one? Sensation, Workers Sensation. This Sensation, I thought it was supposed to be mix and mash something, but I'm not so sure if it was mix and mash, in true honesty. Maybe it was, but I can't even really I didn't pay attention to this Workers Sensation. That's the Sensation. Okay, I didn't pay so much attention to it, but anyway, the Workers Sensation is £2.50. Then we have the Magnum. It's been a long time I bought Magnum ice cream. It's my daughter that made me even buy it. I don't really buy it anymore. I stopped buying it. I got just one. It's £2.50 for the Magnum. Okay, almond. That is the one I normally used to like. And then we have the Doritos Tango. It's £2.50 as well. £2.50 Doritos. The 2 Doritos is £2.50. That's the Heat Wave, Chili Heat Wave, and this is the cheese one. They are both £2.50 each. Okay guys, then we have the chocolate cookie, which I don't even know where it is. It's over here guys. Chocolate cookie, you guys know I always buy it. It's £4.99 for the chocolate cookie, but there's only one. Then we bought some eggs. The eggs we bought 2. There's 15 in a box. It's £2.50, £2.20. The price has come down a bit, which is good. £2.20 was £2.49 before, £2.59. It has come down to £2.20 now. So I bought 2 eggs. Okay, it's mixed eggs. Okay guys, that's all there is in this Iceland haul. I hope you guys really enjoy watching. I know I was rushing through the video because I don't want my camera battery to die. Okay guys, so that's everything I bought in this Iceland haul. Please don't forget to share this video. It's going to be helpful to someone who is looking to spend. So with the bonus card, I tend to save like £5, but today I think they gave me £5, £4. Don't know if you guys can see it. £4.58. Normally it's supposed to be £5, but according to them today I saved £16.85. Well, that's what they say somewhere here. Not sure about that. But anyway, after all the savings, everything, I paid £155, 42p. Before that it was £172.27. But after discount, everything, I paid £155.42. I was a bit confused when I was there with the lady with the price. I was asking her, do I still need to pay something more? She said, no, you've paid. I said, okay. Yeah, guys, so this is everything on this haul. Please, guys, don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like it. It's so important, especially liking it. It's so important. It helps YouTube to recommend the video when you give it a like. It's free to like, free to subscribe, free to share. Please, guys, share it, and I will appreciate it, and God bless you as you do so. I'll catch you guys in my next haul. Bye, guys.